Kaya ni Pacquiao, salita ng salita na 3 times daw tayo mas corrupt. So I am challenging him, ituro mong opisina na corrupt. At ako na ang bahala, within 1 week may gawain ako. Maglista ka, Pacquiao, at sinasabi mong 2 times kami corrupt. Ilista mo yung mga tao at opisina at dapat nilista mo na yun at ibigay mo sa akin. Di ba ang sabi ko noon, if you come to know that there is a corruption, let me know, give me the office and the... Ganon ang dapat ginawa mo. Wala ka namang sinabi noong all these years, puro ka praises ng praises sa akin. Tapos, ngayon sabihin mo, corrupt. Saan corruption? Anong opisina? Kasi pagkaalam ko, wala. DPWH noon was really had the notoriety of... pero wala akong nakita ngayon na may corrupt. Mayroon, marami na, pero napaalis na. Naunahan na kita. Every administration will have its share of the problem of corruption. Do not ever think that if you will win as a president, na wala ng corruption dito sa Pilipinas. And for your dream of giving everybody houses in 6 years' time, just like what Senator Enrile said, good luck na lang. You must be dreaming.